Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by attempting the built-in recovery options on the lock screen. After 5 failed attempts, tap Forgot Pattern and sign in with Google account. Use the primary Google account registered on the device and enter its password. If prompted, verify with your device PIN or backup password. If you cannot sign in, move to Remote Unlock Tools or ADB methods covered next. These initial steps preserve user data when they work and avoid resets whenever possible. If your device is linked to Google, use Find My Device to locate or erase it. Go to the Find My Device webpage and sign in with the same Google account. You can choose to unlock remotely on supported devices or perform a remote erase. Samsung users can try Samsung Find My Mobile to remotely unlock if the phone was registered. Advanced users with USB debugging enabled can use ADB and a USB cable to remove the gesture key files safely. If other methods fail, perform a recovery factory reset from the boot menu. Power off the phone, then press the correct power and volume key combination for that model. Use recovery options to select wipe data or factory reset and confirm with the power button. Understand that a factory reset erases all local user data and apps permanently. It may trigger factory reset protection, requiring the same Google account after reboot. Back up your device beforehand, whenever possible, to prevent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.